This video explains how to receive Ethereum Classic ETC on Binance. We'll cover the deposit process, network selection, and important security considerations to ensure your ETC arrives safely. As of December 2025, Binance actively supports ETC, but it's crucial to follow the correct steps to avoid losing your funds. Remember, always to verify the latest information on Binance's official website or app, as platform policies and network support can change. Ethereum Classic, or ETC, is a decentralized blockchain that forked from Ethereum in 2016 following the DAO hack. It emphasizes decentralization, immutability, and resistance to censorship. Unlike Ethereum, ETC operates on its own proof-of-stake blockchain with smart contracts built on the Ethereum virtual machine. To deposit ETC on Binance, you must select the Ethereum Classic ETC network. This is crucial because ETC operates on its own blockchain, separate from Ethereum's network. Confusing the two can lead to sending funds to the wrong chain. Network selection is vital for Binance deposits. ETC uses the Ethereum Classic ETC network, also known as ECIP 1099. Sending ETC to the wrong network, like Ethereum's, results in permanent loss of funds because cross-chain recoveries are impossible. Binance provides a unique deposit address for each user specifically for ETC. This address is a hexadecimal string generated by the platform. Always use the official Binance address and double-check the network selection before sending funds. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot, and select Deposit. Next, select ETC from the list of cryptocurrencies available for deposit. Now, choose Ethereum Classic ETC as the network. This is a crucial step to avoid sending to the wrong chain. Then copy the generated deposit address. Note that ETC does not require a memo or tag. Finally, send ETC from your external wallet to the copied Binance address, making sure the Ethereum Classic network is selected in your wallet. Confirmations usually take 1 to 5 minutes. Network selection is critical when depositing Ethereum Classic on Binance to avoid common mistakes that can result in permanent loss of funds. The most common mistake is confusing Ethereum Classic with Ethereum and depositing ETC to the Ethereum network instead of the Ethereum Classic network. This happens because both coins share similar names and logos. Always double-check the selected network before sending. In your sending wallet, ensure Ethereum Classic ETC is chosen as the network to match Binance's ETC deposit address. Binance's user interface includes warnings and tutorials to help prevent network selection errors. Look for clear labels and confirmation prompts before proceeding with deposits. Cross-chain recoveries are generally impossible if you send ETC to the wrong network. Once funds are on the Ethereum network instead of Ethereum Classic, they cannot be retrieved. This is why accuracy is key. Only use official Binance addresses generated from the platform. Be cautious of phishing scams that may send fake emails or links attempting to steal your funds by providing fraudulent addresses. Remember to double-check network selection, use official addresses, and stay vigilant against scams to ensure your Ethereum Classic deposits on Binance are successful and secure. Let's examine the fees, limits, and security measures for depositing Ethereum Classic on Binance. Binance charges 0 deposit fees for Ethereum Classic. However, when you send ETC from your external wallet to Binance, you'll need to pay network gas fees to complete the transaction on the blockchain. Gas fees are the costs required to process transactions on the Ethereum Classic network. These fees compensate miners for securing the network. The minimum deposit amount for ETC on Binance is negligible, meaning you can deposit even tiny amounts. There is no upper limit on deposits beyond the restrictions set by your account verification tier. To keep your funds secure, Binance employs multi-signature wallets, which require multiple approvals for transactions. The platform also conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. This is an example of a secure wallet interface, similar to what you might see when managing your Binance account. Always use official interfaces to ensure your funds remain protected. Real-world examples show how proper network selection can prevent significant losses while enabling opportunities in the ETC ecosystem. Consider a DeFi trader who deposited 10,000 ETC to Binance in Q2 2025 for arbitrage trading. By selecting the correct Ethereum Classic network, they avoided a potential $500,000 loss when ETC's value surged 20% after the Magneto hard fork. Another example involves Fidelity Digital Assets, which began supporting ETC custody in 2025. This allows high net worth clients to deposit ETC via integrated wallets, providing secure and convenient access to trading on platforms like Binance. These cases highlight the real risks and rewards in cryptocurrency trading, underscoring the critical importance of education and proper network selection to protect your investments. Ethereum Classic has seen significant recent developments and trends in its ecosystem. DeFi growth has been strong, with projects like Hibiswap and ETC DeFi gaining traction among users. More institutional funds are emerging, which helps drive liquidity in the ETC market. ETC's fixed supply appeals to some investors who prefer assets with scarcity and no inflation. Cross-chain bridges are enabling seamless ETC transfers to other blockchains, boosting usability. The Magneto hard fork in May 2025 improved scalability and compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine tools. Always double-check the deposit address and network before sending ETC to Binance. Stay updated on the latest Binance announcements and security advisories. Remember that cryptocurrency investments are volatile, and you should always do your own research before investing. By following these guidelines, you can safely and successfully receive Ethereum Classic on Binance.